Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to In the Post number 8. I do apologise if you hear a thumping sound or whirring sound in the background. It's one of the hottest days there's been in a few years. I've been melting a bit in the heat, so I've got the fan on, so please excuse me, but here we go for the first item in the post for this particular one. We have the second of the Queen's signature series of 3. This one is the Charities and Patronages one. First one being the awards. So I will go into more depth with this when I do the review of the actual coin. Also in this particular one, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of coins here. I split these bags up. They were originally one lot that I won on eBay. I've still got a whole load of coins left that I've had for about 3 years that are world coins, but they are all getting very much of a muchness. I don't have any more modern world coins, so I took a chance on 2 lots, one lot of which is here of world coins, and I'll be looking at interspersing these coins with the ones that I've originally got. I think I've got about 100 other bags of world coins. I normally put 15 to 20 coins in each bag to give me a video. So there's 5 more bags of world coins, plus a whole load I had already. Now another one that I do, I bought 2 lots of coins from the internet. These are animal coins. And what I mean by that is that there are animals on the coin. Now I do animal coin hunts on a regular basis, and this bag here of 30 coins is probably enough to do 2 hunts. So I've got another bag of 30 coming, so with 15 to 20 coins in each one, I'll have a minimum of 4, perhaps 5 bags when the other bag comes in. Right. Here I have 4 coins from the German Empire region, German Empire time. This will be another video. They're from different areas or different principalities that made up Germany prior to the Second World War, or prior to the end of the First World War, should I say. Now here I have a couple of cards in which ones were in which coins were put in. So there's 2 thank you ones there. They will go into my collection of postcards and cards in general. And I've got 2 here. I've got Diversity Built Britain, and I've got the Withdrawal from the EU. That one I need for my collection. That one will become a spare, and I'll clean those off in a little while. The next one in this post is this. This is the coloured coin from the Commonwealth Games. It's 1 of 4. I only have the one of them at the moment, and this is the England one. Being English, I bought the English one for myself first. I will be going in to buy the other side, I would imagine, at some point as I get more money coming in. I will be doing a review on that one as well in the near future. Here I have a card for the People's Act. Don't need that one. but they came with this deck, came with these two coins. One of them is a blue card. They're both blue card versions of the Alan Turing coin. One will go into my blue card collection. The other one will become part of I'll be taking it out of this this unit and put it in a flip and put it into my main album for the date runs in the main album. Now, while I have these here, let's just take off the these. The Diversity Built Britain is going to become another one of my coins that I need to swap out. Well, I already have this coin in the collection, I believe. I will be checking just before we finish this video. This one here, the Diversity Built Britain, the withdrawal from the EEC, is the one that I need, and I've needed for some time. It's one of the three that came out earlier this year. Get rid of all that rubbish. Right. Let's see. Here they are, looking in the wrong place. I'm going to have to take that up a bit and try to move that out a bit. Right, here we go. The Diversity I don't need, but the EU one, the withdrawal from the EU, I do need. I believe there is one more in this set of three that came out. We had the library, the dictionary and the Victoria Cross, the medals, came out late on last year, early this year, and then there was a Diversity, the withdrawal from the EEC, and I believe the third one that came out at the same time was the Silver Jubilee. I've yet to find that one. The Diversity I've already got, as you can see, two of them together. The People Act was before this series, and I have all the other. Whoa. I have all the other ones from the previous three series. So that finishes this one off, and I also have my two. There's one there, but I've won two different things. I won the year set of 2021, and I also won a multiple set of cards, 10 cards that were not scratched off. So that has now been sorted out, and the two cards I've got a spares now will go in to the rest of the box, a spare card. So I will be doing a video shortly. I keep on promising to do that, but I've not done it yet, of the spare cards that I have and what I need that's left. As far as I know, I need one card, which is the Silver Jubilee one. These are all repeat cards that I can use for swaps and what have you, so stand by and I'll give you the information when I get around to doing the video of how you can get cards that you need that I have. There we go, Mr. Temple's masterpiece. That ends this particular video, the video of In the Post number 8. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. Also, if you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. Thank you all for staying to the end of the video. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy watching over the next week. Also, I am trying to grow my subscriber base. If you haven't yet subscribed and you're a returner, could you please think about doing so? And if you're new and you believe I've warranted it, please subscribe to the channel. And I'm glad to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, militaria and collectibles that I tend to cover on this channel. Until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye now. Ta-da.